Hello, everyone, and namaste. Welcome to day 21, and today we are back to meditation. So, today's meditation is all about letting go of everything that doesn't serve you anymore. So, if you have any thoughts from last month, last week, yesterday, you just want to let it go. Things that don't serve you anymore. Okay, so what we're going to do today is going to go with the breath. So as you take that inhale, you're going to take things that's going to serve you, especially the present moment. Okay, when you exhale, all the thoughts from the past is going to let go. Okay, it's just going to be 10 minutes. So take this 10 minutes and appreciate this 10 minutes to just think of the present and let go of the past. And we're going to begin right now. So sit in your cross-legged position, hands on the knees, rolling the shoulders back. Just begin to take a deep inhale. And full exhale here. You can exhale through your mouth if you want to. If that feels more comfortable, inhale again. And exhale. And if you have not already, just begin to close your eyes. That gentle inhale and exhale take part of this. As for now, you're going to observe your surrounding. Observing the sound, observing the smells, and observe the temperature that brushes against your skin. Begin to slowly bring the awareness to your body, scanning from the top of your head, slowly all the way down to your feet. And just take note of all the sensation, the comfort and discomfort feeling in your body. And we begin to practice to let go by exhaling. Let go all the discomfort feeling. And inhaling the present moment. As you let go of the past, think of the brighter future. Just imagine blue skies, birds are flying, the fields are green. Every face as you pass brings a big smile on your face. And just think of all the happy moments at this moment. Visualizing happy thoughts. And if you do have bad thoughts from the past or worrying about the future that comes to your mind right now, exhale and let it go. And once again, inhale all the positive thoughts, or even this present moment as you sitting down. Dedicate your intention, your breath to this practice. And at the same time, sending gratitude, sending love to your body. Sending kindness to your body. And learn to let go of things that not deserve you anymore. as you continue to sit in this position and practicing of letting go. Just begin to observe your heart, how big of a heart you have. The feeling of joy starts to take over. And just be so contented just by sitting and breathing. And we shall stay here for a few more deep breaths, continuing to let go of things that does not serve you. And don't forget to bring a gentle smile to your face. And just soften the gaze. Soften every muscles in your body. And you begin to let those breaths take over. And try your best not to look for unwanted thoughts. Only let go of those thoughts if they start coming in naturally. And wherever you are, if your thoughts start to drift off, you begin to bring it back to your intention. Bring yourself back to the center. Bring yourself back to your breath again. And begin to observe your surrounding, letting go of all your thoughts, letting go of all your controlled breathing. Come back to the natural state. Observe the sound, observe the smell, and observe the temperature brushing against your skin again. Start to get familiarized with your surrounding. And now slowly, whenever you're ready, just blink, open up your eyes and take a pause and just gaze right in front of you. Just lay your gaze far away to the front. And just one last inhale. And just exhale, releasing whole body down. Right. Just gently roll the shoulders back and forth. Maybe just turn your head to the right, to the left. Then we go up and down. Let me just rotate your head in one direction and then go the other direction. And then come back to center. And well done. So we're done with today's meditation. I hope you feel a little bit lighter in your body and your mind as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And namaste, everyone. Have a great day.